Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve weekly contest problem number 2273. So the problem is like file resultant array after removing anagram. So we are given like a string and like okay, now we are having this anagram, okay, this and this. So we have to remove this and what is anagram? So let me tell you. So ABA, ABA. This is anagram of AABB, okay. So the number of letter and the number of letter and each letter should be the same. Okay. So that there are two A in this, so there are two in this. There are two B in this, and there are two in this. So let's define first the function to find if it is an anagram or not. Two words are anagram or not. So let's write an anagram. Word one, comma word two. Okay. Now first thing we have to check is like word one dot length. Their length should be equal. Okay. If length is not equal, let's check for length is not equal. Then we are going to return false. Okay, so this is basic function. Now since we have to check the count of each character, and okay, so we are going to make a map like to to get the character and its count. Map for first character, that map for second character, second word, like map one. Now let's character of word one, okay, word one, and put it into map one. Okay, so we are going to put it like map1 dot set this character, and we are going to increment the character like get character. If it does not exist, then return 0 and put 1. Okay, add 1 to it. Okay, so we have the word first character. Now let's go for map 2 word 2 of word 2. Now let's put it in the map 2 like set dot character comma similar like map, so it should be map 1, sorry. So map 2 dot get character. If it does not exist, then return 0 plus 1. Okay, so if this get character returns undefined or null, then it will go for this 0. Okay, so it is like this double comma braces. Okay, double comma, two commas. So this is letters E6 syntax, ES6. So now what we are going to check, if map1 dot size. Okay, if size is not equal, like size is not equal, then we found like there are the two words are not anagram, so we are going to return false. Now what we are going to do, like we are going to iterate, we are going to get key which is nothing but the character. Key will be character and the value will be like count. Okay, of like map1. Okay, map1. Now we are going to check if each character and each count contains in the map1. So we are going to check if map1, sorry, we are iterating from map1, so we are going to check it in the map2. Map2 dot has this character, and map2 dot get this character if it is equals to count. So if this exists and this is count, then we are going to do continue. Otherwise we are going to write else. We are going to Otherwise we are going to return false. Okay, if this condition doesn't satisfy, and if everything goes well, then we are going to return like this is anagram true. Okay, now we find the anagram. Okay, we got it. Okay, so we have the function to find if this two words are anagram or not. Now we have to find like two adjacent words like sorry guys. So adjacent words should be anagram. Okay, we cannot go for each and every string like for 0 and 2 we cannot check. We have to check adjacent only. So like let's create one loop like so we are going to iterate through each loop while. So while while word dot length, so there are words dot length is greater than 0, and now we are going to find, let's create a function to get the anagrams. Okay, get anagram index. Okay, index. Okay, so it is going to, so what we are going to do, first we are going to check if anagram is there. So let's go for, let's iterate through the loop. Since we need previous value, so we are going to like we are going to start from the 1, like 1, and we have to remove like we have to remove the current value. We have to if these two numbers are 1, then we have to remove the next value, not the previous value. Okay, so let's start from 1, since we always need previous value. 1 I is less than words dot length comma I plus plus. Okay, yeah. Now if we find like is anagram words comma I minus 1 comma words comma I. So two adjacent, if they are anagram, then we are going to return the index which we want to remove. So if two words anagram, then we have to remove the second index. Okay, not the I minus 1, we have to remove ith index. Okay, and if nothing is found, then we are going to return minus 1. Okay, so now we are going to, okay, so we are going to loop it. We are going to loop it till we don't find anagram, or like this, we till all the words are emptied. Okay, we remove all the words. So let's go for it. Let's return the index of anagram anagram index of anagram, like get anagram index. Okay, index. So we get the anagram index. Now if index anagram is equals to minus 1, then we don't find any anagram, so we are going to return the words. Okay, else what we are going to do, we are going to remove that anagram index. Okay, index that flies, like what index we have to return, index anagram, and number of character we have to return, like one character we have to remove. Okay, and once it is done, like we can return the word. Okay, words. Okay, if okay, let's try to run this code. So okay, it has given the error. So ch, like ch is not defined. Let's see. Okay, what happened to ch? Oh, this c is capital. Okay, sorry for that. Let's try to run now. So okay, it has passed. Like this is the answer. Let's check what is expected. So this is the expected answer, and we got correct answer. Let's try to submit it. So it is accepted. Okay, thank you guys. It is accepted. Thank you guys.